To realize a circular economy for plastic packaging, LG Chem is focusing on design for recyclability. At the heart of this initiative is LG Chem's innovative material, Unicable MDO PE. How is this material utilized? And through collaborations with various companies, how is it contributing to sustainable packaging solutions? Now, let's hear the story through the voices of our customers.
Welcome to Reifenhäuser. We are the world's largest manufacturer of extrusion equipment focusing on that business. My name is Christoph Letowski. I'm working at Reifenhäuser Blanc Film, and one of my responsibilities is film engineering and along with this, the scouting of market trends.
My name is Marcin Kraus. I'm a CEO and a co-owner shareholder of the Kraus Folio company. Our business is delivering films mainly to converters. So that's our main goal, to deliver films to companies that print, laminate and convert in general the films.
안녕하세요. 저는 대원산업 대표이사 맡고 있는 박세준이라고 합니다. 공합출 필름부터 인쇄, 합지, 슬리팅, 가공까지 전 공정 보유하고 있으며 봉투하고 롤 제품 위주로 생산을 하고 있습니다.
One of the most exciting market trends is about circular economy and how it affects flexible packaging. To summarize it in 3 bullet points, it is about recycle, reduce and replace. The shift from multi-material solutions to mono-material solutions to improve the recyclability of the packagings. And one of the examples are pouches. These pouches are traditionally made of 12-micron PET film and a partner film made of polyethylene, which has a typical thickness between 40 and 160 microns. Unfortunately, this established combination is not recyclable.
And we found that the MDO is the best available on the market solution to create a complete package with all the functionalities that are now in the existing type of packaging. There are some good commitments from the supermarkets, for example. They decided to switch the packaging for their own brands with 100% recyclable packaging for the market. That it's not a fashion, it's something that is going to happen, and it's happening fast because 2030 is around the corner.
So people are looking for a solution to replace the 12-micron PET film. And if I stretch polyethylene in machine direction 5, 6 or more times, then I come up with a polyethylene web quite close to the properties of the PET films. The stretching takes place in a so-called machine direction oriented, which can be seen here on top of the line. Machine direction orientation means heating up the film, stretching, annealing and cooling.
The learning curve for NDOP is quite difficult. It's a new process, but then the harder part is to master the process because it is rather difficult. The main challenges that we have are the planarity and the flatness of the film. So that's number one priority, and also the stability of register, because our converters are used to B-oriented films, which are extremely rigid. With PE, you cannot achieve exactly the same rigidity.
현재 저희는 리사이클러블 파우치를 지금 생산하고 있고요. 보통 이제 MDOP에다가 인쇄하고 그 이후에 이제 합지 그리고 이제 가공까지 해서 파우치 위주로 생산을 하고 있습니다. 기존 소재인 페트 나일론보다 BOP, MDOP가 내열도가 많이 떨어지기 때문에 이에 대한 개선이 좀 필요할 것으로 보이고요. 저희는 이 부족한 것을 메꾸기 위해서 2급지 실런트 필름에 저온 실성을 부여하여 보완하고 있습니다.
We have chose LG as a partner after checking basically all of the available material on the market. And the advantages of your materials that we use, mainly the HDPE grades that we use from you, they're all LO6003P. The main advantage is that these materials contain low gels. They are good, very good at stretchability with rates over 5-6 times stretching ratios, but with very, very stable results. Because of the stability of the material, we can maintain the good flatness, the planarity of the material. Low gels also create low tendency for any holes or any defects. So these materials are our number one choice when it comes to designing MDO films.
LG화학의 MDOP와 BOP는 클래리티에 기인한 도시성이 품질적인 면에서 가장 큰 장점이라고 생각하고 있습니다. HDPE라서 그런지 필름 인쇄나 합지할 때 열 안정성이 다른 PE-사용 필름 대비 높은 편이라고 생각됩니다. 이러한 장점은 저희가 이제 LG화학 소재가 적용된 필름을 선택하고 지속적인 파트너십을 유지하는 데 가장 기여한 부분입니다.
LG Chem and Reifenhauser partnered up to develop an MDO PE film to replace 12-micron PET film in packagings like this in pouches. This is the world's first 18-micron MDO PE film running here in Reifenhauser's lab in a very wide process window in stable production for more than 12, 24, 36, 48 hours of production without any interruption. The film fulfills all the market requirements in terms of properties. In machine direction, stiffness 1400 and more. In cross direction, 1100 and more. The optical properties are fantastic. The haze is well below 5%. And the very best is with the thickness of just 18 microns, we have a reduction in the thickness compared to market standard, which is 25 microns of more than 25%. And this is very important because we improve both the economics and the sustainability. Because now with 18 microns, we have, in terms of GSM, almost the same amount of material per square meter like the 12-micron PET film has.
이 프로젝트는 패키징 밸류 체인의 모든 회사가 콜라보레이션 해야 된다고 생각합니다. LG화학과 같은 소재사, 저희와 같은 연포장 회사, 그리고 시장을 이끌어가는 브랜드 오너와 함께 모노 머테리얼 패키징 시장 전환을 위해 지속 협업을 하고자 합니다.
Together with our partners, we're not just creating materials, we're crafting a sustainable future for generations to come. Join us on this journey of eco-friendly innovation, where every link in our value chain strengthens our commitment to a greener tomorrow.